Meaning of derogation.
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 Derogation. Derogation refers to the act of belittling or disparaging someone or something, particularly in a way that detracts from their reputation or standing. It can also refer to the act of weakening or undermining something, such as a law or contract. Derogation can have serious consequences, especially when it comes to legal matters, as it can lead to the nullification of contracts or agreements. Generally speaking, derogation should be avoided as it can damage relationships and undermine trust, ultimately harming one's reputation and credibility.